Okay, I hope you can hear me. I just had an amazing conversation with our fellow running the excavator. And talk about awesomeness, I have to say. Okay, take a look at this. So that's a little bird's nest, and hopefully you got to see that. I know I'm not great on the angle with my phone here. Anyhow, that's a little bird's nest, and it looks as though there's evidence of some berries and seeds still in the nest. And so he's decided to excavate around it so that they can have a chance to move on and relocate, and then we'll just move the plant after he's gone. So I really like that. We've made a good choice in who's doing our work. So anyhow, here's a picture or a glance at our field. This is just a start.